Welcome to the future of earning online. It's 2024, and today we're diving into a game-changing topic: how to do affiliate marketing with no money. Whether you're just starting out or looking to up your game, this is where you need to be. Imagine earning substantial income without spending a dime. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, that's exactly what we're unpacking today. I'm going to be taking you step by step on the right methods that can have you earning money this year. Last year, I made at least $25,000 on Impact, and guess what? You can too. I'll show you the insider tricks and platforms like Impact.com, where big dreams turn into reality. This isn't just theory, it's practical, actionable steps that work from a real affiliate marketer. We'll explore how to choose products, optimize your strategy, and target the right audience, all with zero budget. From setting up an Impact.com account to tapping into lucrative opportunities like VPN promotions, we'll cover it all, plus real-time insights from my account to prove that this isn't just talk. Ready to transform your financial future? Stay tuned and let's unlock the power of affiliate marketing together right here, right now. Let's begin. All right, so we're going to get started. So this is how to do affiliate marketing with no money, and this is good for 2024. Let's begin. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to your favorite affiliate network. This can be all kinds of different ones. There's Commission Junction, there's ClickBank, there's Digi24, there's Impact, there's Warrior Plus, there's JVZoo. The list goes on and on. There's Pay Kickstart. I could keep going. But in this case, I'm going to go and take you through Impact.com. I made $25,000, at least $25,000 last year in 2023. So what you'll do is just go to Impact.com. And this is actually a really big platform. And this also is a platform management system that allows for companies, a lot of software companies and clothing brands and all kinds of different companies that partner with Impact to manage their affiliate program. And so that's what Impact is. But you as a full-time affiliate marketer, or you want to be a part-time affiliate marketer, this is a great program to go and sign up an account. And then you can go and start looking for brands and products that you like, enjoy, and that you would be happy to promote. So what you would do is just, it can be a little bit confusing if you just go to the site on Partner With Us, the referral program, et cetera, et cetera. So what you'd want to do is just come down here and you can see under platform, there's all these other different things that you can do, but you want to go with publisher, right? You're going to be publishing and you're going to be going through as an affiliate. So you're going to go and you're going to want to sign up right over here. And once you sign up to be part of the program, then you'll get your account and then you'll come in here. Like right over here, I have $9,000 in total pending commissions right now. You can see today I've already made $150 on the platform. I don't know what's going on with their tracking right over here, but you can see I can definitely push refresh up here just to reload that. So you can see that it is definitely, I'm logged into my account and so forth. But you can see over here that they usually have graphs right over here, and that has been, there's been an issue the last few days with this, but you're able to go up over to reports and you're able to go and pull reports by day or brand or so forth. So I make most of my money on an app for a company called AppSumo, and they have softwares that I'm able to promote and do different product reviews, tutorials, and so forth on that. But let's just say we want to go and find some different brands. So we'd go over here to the brand, and then we would go under find brands. And then this is going to take you over here, and you're going to be able to see that they have under featured brands, these are the ones that they are promoting more, and you probably have more of a chance of getting in with these as well. But you can go to all brands as well. And once you click on all brands, that's when you're going to see 5,151 products in here that we can go out and promote. You can go and start looking by category, right? And you can go and depending on what kind of channel you want to create, what kind of types of products that you want to promote, you'd come in here, right? A lot of times I like to go into apps right over here and see what is good over here. And then you can come over here, and let's just say for this one, we're going to go into hosting or VPN. So I'm going to type in VPN, virtual private network right over here. We're going to see what they have for VPN. So we have hide.me VPN, and you get a 30% subscription. We have online sale, iToolPaw. So you would go and you would look at different ones over here. We We have Pure VPN right over here. And then what you do is you want to click on the program, and then it'll give you some more information about it. So they have, for every paid subscription, you're going to earn 25% right over here. I like to see, click on details and see they have unique promo code tracking, mobile site, pixel. So you're going to have all the different information that you need. I like to see if this is lifetime. So if it's actually something that they pay you per month, it doesn't say. And right over here, it says you're pre-qualified to work with this brand instantly. That could depend on your account, if it's seasoned or not. I get a lot of brands that reach out to me and want me to promote their products and so forth. But it doesn't specify if you get paid. So they offer a commission of up to 80% and fixed CPA with bonuses over here. Once I sign up, I would want to specify with your affiliate manager with this company if it's reoccurring. But because of the price is going to be so low, I would imagine almost with 90% certainty, 90% commission based on, or a 25% commission based on reoccurring commissions. So if you sell a $15 VPN, you might make $3 per account per month. And so what you do is you just click the join button, and then you would explain and have a really good line right here. Explain to them what you're going to be doing, that you're going to be only sending high quality traffic to their site. No one wants thousands of people coming to their site that's not going to convert. It is just really bad for conversions and so forth. And for example, if you've built your YouTube channel up, then you're going to want to come in here and say, hey, here's my YouTube channel. You can see the quality content that I create. And you would just basically say, you would share this with my audience every once in a while, doing a tutorial on how to use your product, doing a review, doing update videos and so forth. And you'll have a lot better chance of getting in the program. Okay. So let's just say we join and we get accepted, and we're going to go with VPN is our product. Next, what we want to do is we're going to come over here, and just if you don't know, you probably already know that this is going to be computer enthusiasts, but there's going to be a lot of different businesses that actually use VPNs. So right over here, I'm going to say, what would be the target market audience for selling a VPN to? And then we're going to let ChatGPT go out and use the internet to find this out for us. So the target market audience for selling a VPN, virtual private network, typically includes several key segments. So you're going to see right over here that there's a lot of different markets. And each target market, you could create all the content around just trying to sell it to remote workers and freelancers, security-aware professionals, privacy-conscious users. So that could be anybody in the world that's using a computer. We have students and researchers, tech-savvy individuals, businesses and corporations. So for me, I'm personally going to go with businesses and corporations and mostly remote workers, right? So number 3 and number 7. And I'm going to either take note of that. So I might copy this down and put it in a notepad, just so I'm aware of the people that I'm actually trying to make my content around. It's going to be mostly for those types of people working from home, businesses, and so forth. But then what we're going to do is we're going to go and grab this, and we're going to say something. We're going to go over to a keyword research tool. I'm going to use SE ranking, and we're going to say something like VPN, and I'm just going to start with the broad keyword and say analyze. And you're obviously going to see that this has 500,000 people searching for this. So this is a massive market. It's cool. We could create an entire YouTube channel around this. But what we want to do is, we know that you're not going to rank for just VPN, right? We're going to want to go get a lot more specific. So you can go and look at questions. You can look at similar keywords. And so what I would want to do is, right off the bat, I would want to go and just check out the questions for now. So we're going to pull up questions. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and put a filter on this, and we're going to go with the difficulty level. I want a max of 50. And then I want search volume. We're going to start looking for a search volume of about 500 or less, right? So we want the max, and we want a minimum of, let's just say 25 right here. And then a lot of times, because we have thousands of keywords to look at, I'll go ahead and set this minimum on word count to about 6. I want to answer questions that are long tail questions. So then now we can come over here, and it's going to even have 1,000 words that we can start going for. But now you can start seeing all this search volume right over here. You can see the trends and so forth. And you can say how to VPN into home network, how to build a VPN server, how to VPN to home network. So that one's close to the other one. But then you would come in here, like right over here, how to use VPN and iPhone, right? So you'd start coming over here, and now we have a massive keyword list that we could start targeting. Now I like to see if I can filter this in even more to really get like your first 100 videos, right? So maybe we don't need to go with like this 50 over here. Maybe we can take this down to 25 and see what that does to our words over here. So look at the keywords right over here. I'm going to push apply. And now we're looking at 174 keywords. And then what I'll do is I'll come down here and maybe we'll take this down to 300. So that way we know we're really looking at keywords that we can go for. Let's see. I'm even going to go with just 100 for now. And what I recommend doing, now that we have 100 keywords right here, is saving what you did right here. And then the next time, once we create videos for all these topics right here, what we would do is we would just take this right here and we would say 101 to 300, right? And then we'd go to the next level after we exhaust this keyword list. But this is going to be a really good keyword list that we can go out, how to set up VPN for small business, right? How to change region in Free Fire without VPN. So you're going to go in there, how to connect VPN to Netflix. You're going to start creating easy content around this, okay? So next, what we're going to do on this is we're going to go over here. We're going to go to create a YouTube channel. And I like to go to Google, say create new channel, and then actually click on the first link, scroll down, and then you'll go to your channel list. And that's going to take you to all your YouTube channels. And then you're going to go and click on the create a new channel button. And that's going to take you where you need to go, where you can create a brand new channel in this niche and say something like VPN master, VPN for beginners, whatever you want to do. But this channel is going to be around VPN. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to start creating and uploading content on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Okay. So you can actually use your long form content from YouTube to create short form content to publish to TikTok and Instagram. So you're going to create a video much like I'm doing right now. It's a long form content. And then when you're done with that, you can go over to this place called Opus Clip and use Opus Clip to make these videos into short form content that are 60 seconds or shorter. It's going to automatically slice and dice up those videos that are 15, 20 minutes long. It's going to cut it into less than 60-minute segments. And then you're going to be able to repurpose those, republish those on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts if you wish for more and more eyeballs on your content, right? So you're really only creating content one time, one video, and then you're going to be able to repurpose it several times. And then what are you going to do? Of course, in your affiliate links, you're going to put your affiliate link that you get. So if I go back over to Impact, for example, and I want to go and get an affiliate link, I'm just going to go over to home and let's just say it's for one of the brands. If it's for AppSumo or all these other ones, let's say it's Namecheap, for example, then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to get my link. Or if I go over here to AppSumo and then you're going to have a link right here, you're going to copy that. And that's the link right here that you're going to put in every YouTube description for every video that you do so that when people do like your content and they're like, and you're just going to say something like in the description, you're going to say my top recommended VPN, and then you're going to put your affiliate link, which would be this, right? Boom. And that's all you're going to do is start getting clicks of people that are interested in VPNs, and you're going to send traffic over to your affiliate link that we signed up to, and that's how you can start making sales. Now, you're going to publish content as often as possible. Build and grow your audience. Of course, you're going to rinse and repeat this process. So to summarize the steps, guys, the steps in this video, you're going to find a product to promote. We did that, right? We went to Impact and we found a product. Number 2, you're going to find out what audience to promote the product to. ChatGPT can help with this, just like we went into ChatGPT and went through this little exercise right here. It'll give you a good idea and you can pick and choose what type of audience you want to promote to. Next, number 3, you're going to do a keyword research around your product. We went in here, we went into SE ranking, use your favorite keyword research tool. You can even use ChatGPT if you want to. And then you're going to go and do keyword research. Start going for the low-hanging fruit in your niche because this is going to be competitive. But if you start going for these keywords that no one's created content on, you're going to rank in YouTube, which is the second largest search engine in the world. You're going to start being able to get eyeballs, rank your content, and start growing. Then you can start adding in more broad keywords that have a lot more search volume and more competitive keywords, okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to create our YouTube channel. We did that over there. And then step number 5, publish videos as often as possible. So we're going to rinse and repeat this process, guys. All this can be done for free. Every single thing that I just taught you in this video can be done for free. That's very important. And then taking action is what it's all about. Publishing content, taking action is really what's going to get you results in affiliate marketing. You can do all this for free. You can get started right now. If you're interested in how I make money daily on YouTube using only affiliate marketing and YouTube, and how I'm making over 6 figures a year doing this for free, like I'm teaching in this video, if you want more information, click the first link below, and I'll see you in the next video.